What's up, YouTube? I'm back. You know, it's a semi-sunny day in Virginia Beach. That's always subject to change, though. And I got the dual exhaust put on, but wasn't happy with those pipes. You know, got a whole lot of space there. So today in the mail, got some new pipes, some big dogs, 5 inches. So I'm gonna take them over, see if I can get them to swap them out and install them. We'll see. So I'm back, got another update. Of course, the weather's out in Virginia, so I've been very cooperative right now. Just give you a quick see how it looks.